its communities.
Google is partnering with Kenya on cybersecurity as they digitize government services, employing Google's cybersecurity shield to protect Kenyan e-citizens on their platform. And we're really proud that governments around the world are turning to Google's cybersecurity shield to defend against cyber attacks, an area in which we've invested for quite some time.
The aim of my address this morning is to affirm your confidence in entering or expanding your operations in our market, and to ask and answer the question, what can we do for you and what can we do together? We now have in Kenya a special economic zone in Thika that will focus on pharmaceutical manufacturing. And I invite companies who want to explore opportunities in that space. Aside from us giving incentives on buying from locally manufactured products, you have the benefit of access to the East African market of 300 million people, and by extension, using the Africa Continental Free Trade Area, access to 1.4 billion people. If you're looking for market, if you're looking for opportunity, there you are.
Tutigane na icio cia Iceera ria president kuria bururi-ini wa America tukihiuke nginya guku